Hello everyone, my name is Dewi Puspa with student ID 122490004. In this video, I will present my embedded system programming assessment, which is to explain the performance difference of each embedded system based on the CPU frequency of the microcontroller. For this task, I am using three types of microcontroller. First, ESP8266, ESP32 Pro, and ESP32 Lolin Lite. Next, I will open the Arduino IDE software to write the program. Okay, since I already create the program before, in this video I will recreate the program from the beginning. Here is the program. File and new skip. Here I have opened a new file and I will make the program. Control A and delete. here I have made a program, and I will explain the program line by line. The two lines are common. This is explain the purpose of the program, which is to measure the microcontroller's performance based on CPU frequency by calculating the execution time for 20,000 digital write operation. And this line divides the test pin, which is number 2. This pin with the toggle repeatedly between high and low test. Okay. Here we declare 3 variable of type using like long. This is start time to store the time when the test begins, and time to store the time when the test ends. Duration to store the total execution time or difference between start and end. Lalu ini the setup function runs once when the microcontroller start. Pin mode set pin 2 as an output. Serial begins, start serial communication, and baud rate 11,5200. So we can see the result in the serial monitor. Serial print a message to indicate the benchmark is starting. Void loop function run continuous as long as the microcontroller is powered on. This line records the current time in microseconds at the moment the test starts and store it in start time. This is a for loop run 20,000 times. Ini set the pin to high and set the pin to low. This means the pin is turned on and off, repeat 20,000 times. After the loop finishes and time record the time in microsecond, then duration is calculated as the difference between end time and start time, which gives the total execution time. And last, this line display the result on the serial monitor. The message takes the value of duration and the unit in microsecond. Finally, a 2-second delay is added before repeating the loop again. This makes the output easier to read and prevent the result from refreshing too quick. The first microcontroller I will test in the ESP8266. Okay. Don't forget to change the board and port setting to ESP8266. Okay. On this ESP8266, I am using the CPU at 218 MHz. This is MHz. Now I will compile the programs. Error. Digital. Oh, salah guys. Okay, compile. Okay, after finish compile, open serial monitor and this is hasilnya. Here is result from the ESP8266. Time recurrent for 20,000 digital variables 64754 microsecond. This means that the perform 20,000 pin toggles using the digital write function. The ESP8266 take about 16 for 715 for microsecond. The smaller the number, the faster the microcontroller's performance the executing instruction. Okay, next I will test the ESP32 Don't forget to change the board and port setting to ESP32 from. ESP32 ada masih ini deh. Okay, and I will to CPU nya tuh menggunakan ya 240 ya. On this ESP32 Pro, I am using the CPU at 214 MHz. Now I will compile the program. Okay, after finishing the open serial monitor, discuss open serial monitor, and okay, the result from ESP32 from is 21,842 microsecond to execute to 13,000 digital write Douglas compared to ESP8266 with 16,754 microsecond. The ESP32 from is much faster. This is expected because the CPU frequency of ESP32 from is 214 MHz, which is higher than ESP8266 with only 18 MHz. Okay, next I will test the ESP32 low-line light. As before, don't forget to check the board and port to ESP32 low-line light. Low-line. Okay, the low-line. On this ESP32 low-line light, I am using the CPU at 116 MHz. CPU. This is. Now I will compile the program. Okay, after finishing this serial monitor, close and open again serial monitor, and this hasilnya. The result from ESP32 low-line light is 32,826 microsecond to execute 30,000 digital write Douglas. In comparison, the ESP32 low-line light is low-line light is faster than the ESP8266 with 16,754 microsecond, but slower than the ESP32 from which only need 21,842 microsecond. This makes sense because its CPU frequency is 116 MHz, which is in between ESP8266 and ESP ESP32 from 2 4 MHz. So, the performance difference among the three microcontrollers can be seen from the benchmark result. The ESP8266 with a CPU frequency of 18 MHz requires the 164754 microsecond, making it the slowest. The ESP Brom with a CPU frequency of 214 MHz only needed 21,842 microsecond, making it the fastest. Meanwhile, the ESP32 low-line light with a CPU frequency of 160 MHz to 13 to 828 microsecond, placing its performance in the middle of faster than ESP8266 but lower than ESP32 Brom. 34. The higher the CPU frequency of a microcontroller, the faster the execution of interaction. That is my video about the performance difference of several microcontrollers based on CPU frequency. Thank you. Bye bye.